So my little timeline we have here is that from 2015 to 2017, what you have to start off doing is actually pushing the idea for cars to be on natural gas. Because in order for this to happen, car companies are going to have to completely change the way they manufacture cars, which is a huge deal. But the thing is that there are already trucks that have been doing this, so they can go off of the engines that they run on and then transport that into the cars. And I think it won't be as hard as it seems, because we need demand to increase before we can just start production. But I think when people hear that the idea that they have to pay less for gas, it's going to get them farther, I think they're going to really like that, especially not right now since the gas prices are actually kind of low, but when it gets back to like a couple of years ago where it gets $4 an hour, I know they're going to really like an alternative source that's going to be cheaper for them. So from 2015 to 2017, we had to push the idea for natural gas to go through. We have to talk to all the major car companies to see which one would actually be willing, if we have a car company that's willing to do that, or if we actually have to create a new one like Tesla did for the type of engineering cars that have a slick look. And then we have to watch demand as it increases. 2017 to 2025, if everything goes well, what we have to do is completely change the manufacturing, which is going to take about 8 to 10 years to completely change the type of machines we use to build the cars, the engines and everything along with that. You have to be able to meet supply and demand with everything that goes along. We have to start the push for collecting more natural gas, because right now all we use it for is the certain types of trucks and also the heating in the stove. And you have to focus to make sure that everything meets equilibrium. And from 2025 to 2030, I'll actually start selling to customers, and we'll be able to transfer the set. We have a total of 70% right now. We'll be able to transfer the other 30% from foreign gas to natural gas. So we'll actually be completely energy efficient as well as energy secure, so we don't have to worry about other countries providing us with the oil and things we need to thrive. Because without that, let's say if Canada and Mexico just stops supplying us, we're going to hit a huge stopping point where we aren't going to be able to power everything we have. Gas is going to skyrocket, and we want to be able to be efficient and secure so we don't have to worry about other things. All right. All right. And at 2031, will it be energy independent? All right. Just listening a note. All right. There are so many things petroleum engineers have done in order to provide the power and heat to the United States of America. One day, I hope to be able to travel the world while working hard and gaining new knowledge along the way. I don't know how everything will work out, but as George Patton said, if you tell people where to go, but not how to get there, you'll be amazed at the results. Thank you.